Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a coffin with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 1x2 bricks with 4 studs, 2 on each side. I'm going to take a 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angler plate. I'm going to place this on one of the side studs and take another 1x2 brick with 4 studs. We're going to place it on the other side of our angler plate. Then we're going to rotate this around, take another 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angler plate, place it as shown. Then, in opposing corners, I'm going to slide in another set of 1x2 by 1x2 angler plates, take another 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angler plate, and a 1x1 brick with 1 stud. We're going to place this as shown where these studs are facing the bottom. I want to make 2 of these. I'm going to slide this one right here and our other assembly in this back right corner. Then I want to flip this over, take 3 2x3 flat tiles. We're going to lock all these studs together. This is going to be the bottom portion of our coffin. Flip that back over. Right in the center, a 1x2 ingot tile. We're going to place another 1x2 ingot tile on the back side, followed by a set of 1x1 plates with top holder. Place these on both sides of the ingot tile. We're also going to do it on this side as well, on both sides. These are going to be our supports for our carrying handles. And to finish up these studs, 4 1x1 flat tiles. Do the same thing on this side here. On the top, 3 2x3 plates and a 1x6 plate right along the top, right in the center. Then we're going to finish the top off with a 1x6 flat tile and 6 1x2 by 2/3 slopes. This is going to give the top a nice contour. Do the same thing on this side here. Pretty easy build. It's the reddish brown that makes it kind of scary. And 2 6 stud long sticks with flange. We'll place these right in our holders to complete the coffin.